Hi family, Miss Aiken's here doing our nature walk with words, and for today's word, it is what these are right here. Mushrooms, and I'm finding a bunch of different kinds, so in the comments I'll share pictures of what they are, and when I get back in our studio, we will encode, that means spell, the word mushroom. So say the word mushroom. How many syllables? All right, see you guys in the studio. Have a beautiful day. Hi family, so we're back from our nature walk, and for something a little different, we are going to practice writing the sounds we hear in the word that was from our video, which was mushroom, okay? So on a board or a paper, I'm going to say the sound. I want you to write what the sound is that you're hearing. So first one, write what says shh. All right, so you would write what makes that sound. And you should have wrote SH, right? Next one, write what says mm. And you should have wrote M, right? And guys, the letter M is a letter that starts in position 2, right on that middle line. Next one, write what says R. And be careful, remember there are 2 things that can make this sound R. It could be R or WR. This is the digraph. We don't want that one. We want this one. R, the word mushroom. Right, what says R. Now we need the vowels. Write what says like an umbrella, or up. You should write a U. And this last one is what we're going to talk about. Mushroom. So when we say mushroom, how many syllables are we saying? 2 syllables. Let me go ahead and put 2 cards up here so we can visually see the second syllable vowel pattern we're talking about. So mushroom. Let's pull our vowels out. What makes that sound? U. Mushroom. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, I think we had a video of this already. If not, we're going to teach it again because this is being consistently reinforced is the way we learn. So what says ooh in the word mushroom? Ooh. Well, there are several different vowel patterns that will make that sound ooh. Okay. And here we have them. We have the vowel pattern OO, like in the word moon, we'll say ooh. We have EW, like in the word grew, we'll make the sound ooh. We have UE, like in the word blue, we'll make the sound ooh. And we have UI, like in the word suit, will also make the sound ooh. So these 4 patterns we got to pay attention to in the word mushroom, mushroom, ooh. What are these patterns making that sound? And it's going to be this one, OO. So I'm going to put my OO card up. Okay, OO. My OO card up. Now we're going to spell the word mushroom. Mush, what makes that sound? M. We've already practiced writing it. U. Mush. SH. SH and put it up. Second syllable, room. Remember, it's not it's R. ooh, oh, oh. Bring it down. Room, another M. All right, I'll put the words together. Or put the syllables together, even though they are considered compound words. And our word is mushroom. All right, and for a challenge, you can have your child or your student, you cover up the word, and they've already practiced writing. Oh, it's gonna fall down. They've already practiced writing all our sounds up here that's going to be found in the word. So now we just need them to write the word mushroom. So write M U S H R O O M. All right, and then you could take it down and you could check it to make sure that they spelled it right. So mushroom. Have them check it M. Have them put their finger on M. Say M U. Take it down and do that. U mush sh. Take it down. Room. Boo. Bring it down. Alright, so these steps may seem like unimportant or redundant, but it's interaction with the letters and the words. It's building new neural pathways in the brain to reinforce the matching of the symbol to the sound and how it's playing in the word. So it might seem like unimportant, but it's important to do the steps as you're learning it, or if you're working with a student or your child. So in the comments, let me know if you like mushrooms. I know there's people who love them and there's people who hate them. I don't think there's not so much as an in-between. You either really like them or you don't like them at all. So in the comments, let me know if you love mushrooms. I'm a mushroom fan myself. Bye guys.